What's going on, family? Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you all something a bit different. Like I said, it's a new series that I've been coming out with, but I had to put it on pause because I wanted to give y'all this game when it comes to the trust. But today, like I always mention, I'm going to give you all a lot of different information so that you can actually execute your family business and take it to the next level. But on this channel, I haven't really been giving you all that much business advice or business information, right? And so I'm going to give you all this game today, right? So I actually have a drawing here that's actually going to be breaking down how exactly we go from 4 different ways to actually build a customer out. Okay, so I'm gonna start from scratch. This is the ways on how we actually build wealth as a family business. Now, if you're unaware, we teach people how to build online coaching businesses or online businesses in general. If you have a business, we teach you how to market it online. If you don't have a business, then we're going to teach you how to create an online coaching business or an online business in general with whatever that you want. And then we're going to help you design that so that it can actually make you money. Okay, so let's actually talk about it. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm right here, y'all, just so you know. So this is how it works. Let me move you over here so that y'all can hear me. So there's 4 different offers that you can actually make to make you money. Okay, so you have a lead generation offer, you have a core product offer, and then you have a premium value offer. Now, these things just so good, right? Premium value offer, and I'm going to explain what each one of these mean in a moment. And then you have a continuity offer. Now, I'm shouting out Myron Golden for this because this man really gave the game when it came to stuff like this to make it so easy to understand. Okay, so there are only these 4 types of offers that exist on the market. There's nothing else on the market that exists but these. Okay, so let's talk about it. Lead generation offer are like your ebooks. Okay, they're like your cheat sheets, right? They're like things that are like for free, that are like low ticket. These are like your lead gen. Your core product offer can be mid ticket to high ticket. It's the offer that you're mainly going to sell. Okay, this is what, if someone comes in on let's say the ebook, they're coming in and you're upselling them, or you're having them book a call and they're coming in and saying, this is the main offer that I want you to be on. This is the one. Okay, so let me actually do this real quick. So yeah, this is the main offer that we have. Okay, so this can be a high ticket offer, which is anything that's $3,000 or more. So anything that's $3,000 or more, 3K or more, right? Premium value offers are just high ticket. They're only high ticket offers. Okay, so this can be mid ticket as well. So just want to put that out there. So that's anything less than 3K, but this one's only, it can either be a renewal or it can be a low ticket subscription or something, right? So these are the 4 types of offers that you have to make in order to actually build a profitable business. You want to have all these different types of offers within your business. Okay, how does this actually make sense? One, how do we get people to these offers? How do we get people to buy them? How do we get traffic? How do we actually sell this? Okay, so I'm gonna give you an example from our actual business. Okay, so of course, we're the fanpreneurs. So you know, based off hours, how we actually do things. And I'm gonna break everything down here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these in abbreviations so you all can understand. So you have the lead gen offer, LGO, core product offer. Then you have the premium value offer, and then you have the continuity offer. Okay, so like I said, this is very simple to understand, and I'm going to break it down. So our lead generation offer is actually our book, right? Is the Black Rockefellers book. Okay, that is actually our offer. I mean, that is our lead generation offer. That's the one that we always get people to go to, or it is a webinar. Our core product offer, the Family Legacy 5-day challenge. Okay, so this is a 5-day virtual event, high level event. We give all the game on this event, right? The book, we give game as well. We actually are coming out with the volume 2 when it comes to that book, and we're actually going to be inputting every single trust within that book. So look out for that. And it's not going to be watered down versions of it either. It's going to be legit trust that we actually create, and it's going to be within that book. So we're giving all the game on that book. Okay, so lead generation offers are usually free, or they can be low ticket, right? $7, $17, $47, $97, right? Really, yeah, $97 depending on what you're selling. The core product offer are like your mid tickets, right? $97, $297, $497, $997. These are your core product offer. Usually the webinar sells to the challenge, right? The challenge then sells the premium value offer, and then the premium value offer then sells the continuity. So everything builds on top of each other. Okay. The Family Legacy 5-day challenge literally is just a 5-day virtual event. The webinar is just 1 hour event, or maybe even, whatever it is. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just an event that we use. Then you have the premium value offer, right? The premium value offer is, we actually have this one. It's the Family Business Program. And then we have the Family Dynasty Program. Okay. So these are our premium value offers. Okay, so the family business is usually, right now it's closed, and the dynasty is closed. We only usually open it when the 5-day challenge is commenced, or if you see a link in the description to our free workshop, that is the only way that you can get access to it. So there's only 2 ways to get access to our program. Other than that, you won't get access. Okay, now mind you, this family business is a 6-month, right? And this is a 3-month. Okay. Family business is pretty much me teaching you what I'm teaching you now, which is how to build a family business, how to implement this for your family. Okay. Now, how this works, right, is when it comes to the family business, you want to make sure that each family member makes $5K a month. That's your goal. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I can't even count, y'all, 4-person household, you want to make sure that each one of them makes 5K. Okay. Each one of them makes 5K. Right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, that's 20,000 a month that you want to make just to pay y'all's bills and be able to live the life that y'all really, really want to live, fair minimum. But you also have business expenses. Okay. So we want to say that based on our experience that 50K a month is a healthy number to actually be able to live off of, to pay yourself a salary and be able to pay and then reinvest into your business. Okay. So 50K a month, the other 20K is going to go towards business expenses. So you have, I would say, to put 20K there, 10K a month is going to expenses. Okay. And then 30K should be to reinvest into the business. Now, what does that mean? Reinvest means multiple different things, and everything connects to what I'm about to connect up here, right? Reinvest means, and I'm gonna break it down in 2 simple concepts for the moment. That means mentorships, and that means ads. Okay, so these are the key things that you're going to be reinvesting into your business every single month to do. And when you get to this, when you're reinvesting like this, quickly you can get to 100K a month. Okay, we've hit 100K a month multiple times. You can easily do that, and we did that off organic content. That's not even off paid content. So we know what it's like to actually make money. Okay. That's just a bit of an overview of the family business program. The family dynasty program is that, but it really just breaks down trusts. It breaks down insurance strategies, right? It breaks down. Now we're talking about scale, right? So now we're going to talk about scaling your business, right? So let's say the family business program, of course, is to get you to minimum 10K a month. Right now, I gave you an overall move when it comes to really 10K a month is the family business. So you have a grasp understanding on how this works. We want to get you to 10K a month. Of course, this cannot feed anybody right now in this business, but we need to get you to a hump where you can actually start making money. Okay. Family dynasty is where we start getting you to the 50K to 100K a month. This is where we start getting you to 50K, 100K a month. But first we need to get your feet wet. Okay. Right now, this 10K a month, you're not leaving your job yet. Okay. This is your 9-to-5 job is still good to go. You're still working it. You're not leaving. Okay. This is just us to get you in the door, knowing that this is real, knowing that your family business is starting to get off the ground. Right. So that's really how this works. So you're not really paying anything. You may be converting to an S corp at this point. You may be paying yourself a small salary, not paying for 4 or 5 people's bills. Okay. But the family dynasty is where we actually start showing you how to scale. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Now, after the 6-month and the 3-month is in place, now we're going to, because this after 6 months, you either renew, you pay a subscription. And the subscription varies depending on what package you're in, depending on, if you're now, down selling to, let's say, the Family Business University and you're paying that, whatever it is, or you're to the next offer, right? That's pretty much what continuity is. Okay. So this is pretty much everything in regards to how to build the actual business. And so now you're wondering, well, how can we actually get traffic to this? What does this look like? So I highly suggest that you focus on these platforms, Instagram and YouTube. Okay. Instagram and YouTube is going to be the go-tos. what you're going to do, and let me actually, Instagram, YouTube, and your email list. Okay. Everything leads to your email list. Okay. Now, how this works is your social media is going to have them go to a free workshop. You want to give them something for free. From that free workshop, it'll lead them to an application. That application will then lead them to book a call. But then when they book a call, then it'll either lead them, you either close the deal or you have to follow up. Okay. From there, you would then lead them to the delivery. Right. Now, the email, on the other hand, right, this is where you start having a team in place. Okay. So we start talking about building a team as we get to the Family Dynasty program. But this part right here, everything here is the family business. Okay. Implementing this and this. So this is number one. This is number two, is the Family Dynasty. So now we're going to start implementing setters, which we'll start having triage calls. From those triage calls, it will then lead to, boom, that call. It will then lead to that call. And so what happens is this can get you to 10K a month, but both of these can get you to 50K a month. And this is just the bare minimum. 10K a month is the bare minimum. There are people here that's making $1 million months just off of the IG and YouTube, off organic. Okay. So everything here, social media is just straight off organic. When we start implementing paid ads, then this is where we start implementing this into here. Then we start scaling to 100K a month. Okay. So you're having multiple different ways to build wealth. A lot of people say multiple streams of income is having multiple different businesses. No, this is multiple streams of income right here. You have multiple streams of income right here. You have 1, 2, 3. That is multiple streams of income within one offer. It leads to the same thing. You get what I'm saying? Because what happens is every person that opts into the free workshop gets a call. They're going to get called. Or anyone that fills out an application but doesn't hop on, what? They're going to get called, right? Anyone that doesn't show up, guess what? They're going to get called. Right? It's literally just like that. It's a system. Okay. So this is pretty much everything on how exactly to build this offer. Okay. So this is the part of the family business model that we use. Okay. This is usually how it works. So we want to make sure that you all have a firm understanding on how exactly we build this wealth, how exactly we grow this business, because this is how you're able to take you and your family to the next level. So I hope this actually helps. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Appreciate you all. Hopefully this gives you some value. And if you want to learn more about how to actually get your trust and everything in order, watch this video right here. And this will actually take you to the next level. But honestly, you probably don't even need that. If you really just want to learn how to make an offer so this family business can actually take you to the next level and you can use these strategies here, watch that video right here.